नमस्कार कोंकणी शिकतल्यांका स्वागत. आजी आम्ही एडजेक्टिव्स विशेषण असल शब्दाबद्दल शिकया. आम्ही आतापासून नाउन्स नामपद नावाचे शब्द हाजे बद्दल शिकले. त्या नावाच्या शब्दांका आम्ही विशेष अर्थ दिवका जाल्यार विशेषण अशी शब्द प्रयोग करताची. An adjective is a describing word. हे नामपदा बद्दल सांगता. It tells you more about a noun. आता घर हे एक नाव, एक नामपद. हे घरा बद्दल आम्ही सांगका जाल्यार आम्ही एडजेक्टिव्स विशेषण प्रयोग करका. We have to use adjectives to describe a house. आम्ही पळोवया. हे व्हड घर. This is a big house. व्हड an adjective. तशींची हे सान घर. सान small. So we repeat. व्हड big. सान small. हे नवे घर. नवे हे नवीन घर. This is a new house. नवे पोरने. हे पोरने घर. Old house. I repeat. नवे new. पोरने old. हे चंद घर. This is a beautiful house. Chanda beautiful. You can also use these words for describing other nouns. हे इंडियाचे घर. This is an Indian house. So this word describes the location of the noun. Hence it is an adjective. हे इंडियाचे घर. हे नळ्या घर. This is a tiled house or tile roofed house. हे नळ्या घर. नळे tiles. हे एक घर. This is one house. So numerics, numbers which describe the noun are also adjectives. हे एक घर. So we repeat. व्हड big. सान small. नवे new. पोरने old. चंद beautiful. इंडियाचे Indian. नळे घर tiled house. एक one. Similarly, we will try an example. हो cello. He is a boy. हो हुशार cello. हुशार wise. हुशार wise. हो थंड cello. He is a quiet boy. थंड quiet. हो लांब cello. लांब tall. लांब tall. हो बारीक cello. बारीक slim. Some of these words may be borrowed from other languages but are used frequently in Konkani. Bariku, slim. Ho dhairyavan cello is a brave boy. Dhairya is bravery. Dhairyavan cello is a brave boy. Ho baro cello is a good boy. Baro cello, good boy. The adjective is baro. Ho alshi cello is a lazy boy. Ho alshi cello, lazy boy. We'll repeat the words. Husharu, wise. Thandu, thanda, quiet. Lambu, tall. Bariku, slim. Dhairyavan, brave. Baro, good, alashi, lazy. Similarly, we can use adjectives like dadda, not very wise, joru, not very quiet, gidda, short, moto, plump. Opposite of dhairyavan is pokku, not brave, or white challo, not very good boy. So we repeat all the words: dadda, joru, gidda, moto, pokku, and white. We try another example. Hey, ambe. These are mangoes. Hey, pancha ambe. There are 5 mangoes. So descriptive number 5. Pancha ambe. 5 mangoes. Hey, tamde ambe. Red mangoes. Tamde. So all the colors, the descriptive. Tamde. Hey, bare ambe. These are good mangoes. I repeat the words. Pancha, 5. Tamde, red. Bare, good. Hai, goda ambe, the sweet mangoes. Goda, sweet. Hai, amshe ambe, sour. Hai, amshe ambe. Hai, pikkile ambe. These are ripe mangoes. Hai, pikkile ambe. I repeat. Goda, amshe, pikkile. Hai, harve ambe. Raw mangoes. Harve, raw. Hai, pikkile, harve. Hai, hoda ambe, the big mangoes. Hoda, sana. Hoda, big. Sana, small. Hai, thode ambe, a few mangoes. Hai, jaste ambe, many mangoes. We repeat. Pancha, 5. Tamde, red. Bare, good. Goda, sweet. Amshe, sour. Pikkile, ripe. Harve, raw. Hoda, big. Sana, small. Thode, few. Jasti, many. Another example. Huna, hot. Huna cha, hot cup of tea. Thanda, sharbat, cold drink. Huna, thanda, hot and cold. Jasti, a lot. Kammi, a little. Jasti, kammi, a lot and a little. Halduve, yellow. Dhava, white. Tea is not quite white. Dhava is white. Halduva, yellow. Try another example. Describing a day. Aichu divasu, today's day. Aji baro divasu, today is a good day. Aji baro divasu. Aji vatta divasu, it's a sunny day. Vata is sunshine. Vatta divasu, sunny day. Opposite. Pausa divasu is a rainy day. Pausu is rain. Aji raje divasu, today is a holiday. Raje divasu, holiday. Aji hoda divasu, it's a big day. Maybe for any reason. Aji hoda divasu. Aji parbe divasu, today is a festival day. Paraba, festivity. Parbe divasu. Or you might say Aji dhagga divasu, it's a humid or a hot day. Dhagga divasu, humid or a hot day. So descriptives, adjective for a day. Baro divasu, good day. Vata divasu, sunny day. Pausa divasu, rainy day. Raje divasu, holiday. Hod divasu, it's a big day. Parbe divasu, festive day or a dhaga divasu. It's a warm or a humid day. Similarly, many adjectives can be used for describing food. Here is an example. Godshe, it's a sweet dish. Mitshe, slightly salty. Tika, spicy. Chappe, bland. I repeat, Godshe, Goda, sweet. Godshe, sweetish. Meeta, salt. Mitshe, salty. Tiksani, spicy, hot. Tika, spicy dish. Chappe, bland. Huna, hot, warm. Huna, thanda, cold. Ghatti, hard. Maua, soft. Maua, soft. Kurkuri, crispy. Bare is good. I repeat, Godshe, Mitshe, Tika, Chappe, Huna, Thanda, Ghatti, Maua, Kurkuri, and Bare. Similarly, description of time. Porne, old. Hai, Porne Pustaka. This is a old book. Hai, Nave Pustaka. Naveen Pustaka is a new book. Beggi, quickly. Beggi, quickly, fast. Saukasha is slow. Beggi, quickly. Saukasha is slow. Thodovu, later. Thodovu or Kaderi is later. Kaderi, later. Atta is now. Atta is now. Porne, old. Navina, new. Beggi, quickly. Saukasha, slowly. Thodovu, late. Name Kaderi, later. So we learned today about adjectives. Visheshana. He namapada makshi. Name namapada nantara yevnu. Namapadaka description. ताज बदल सांगता हाज बदल आम्ही आज शिकले. नमस्कारो. आम्ही आणि मेळ्या.